It was a hectic morning on the production floor when Operations Manager Sam's work was disrupted by a sudden system alert. A critical machine had broken down yet again. Unplanned downtime had become his team's biggest challenge, throwing schedules off track and impacting overall productivity. Frustrated but determined to resolve the issue, Sam set out to explore ways to improve operational efficiency and prevent recurring breakdowns. That's when he discovered a solution to monitor, manage, and maintain his critical assets. Equipped with CMMS and IoT technology, this innovative approach unified assets, its processes, along with maintenance activities into a single powerful platform. Sam could now track and monitor critical assets in real time, using sensor data for precise insights. Create and manage work orders on the go directly from his mobile phone, ensuring seamless operations anytime, anywhere. Receive predictive maintenance alerts to address issues before they escalate. Access detailed reports instantly for informed decisions. Sync his entire team, including maintenance, on one platform, ensuring they're aligned and ready to tackle any challenges. The result? Sam witnessed remarkable improvements. Smooth and uninterrupted production, timely maintenance of all assets, and a more connected team to make the right decisions. His mornings transitioned from crisis management to strategic planning, setting a new standard for seamless operations and improved productivity.